03 E46 BMW. It's a 325. We're manual. We're welding the diff and replacing the HIDs. One of the stalkers went out, and we'll be showing you how to pull it. We'll be showing you pulling it and welding it, putting it back. Alright, so to pull an E46 diff, you got to pull these nuts off up here, holding the cross member in. Then there's one long bolt holding the back in, and you just pull these out, holding the axles in. Then we're gonna lower the sway bar, and the whole thing should just fall right out. Alright, so we got the diff out. Now we're just cracking the back case to open it up and drain it.
You have to go the right way first. Well, the left way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
It's nice and greasy, the way we like it.
Nice and greasy, 120,000 miles, well used and abused. Pull the case. There's no fluid in that diff. I noticed it did have a front pinion seal leak.
Yeah, it was greasy. So you just let it drain.
Let this drain for a good 20 minutes. And then you're going to spray it out with brake clean. Get it really, really clean. We'll cut up some plates that will go right in there between the spider gears. We'll weld them in on both sides of the spider, which will make this a locked rear end. Yeah,
those spider gears spinning is what makes it an open diff and makes it so it spins independently. It's not what you want if you want to get sideways.
So what I'm doing now is cleaning the excess oil off with brake clean, just so we have a better penetration of weld. Because the grease and oil cause a bunch of spitting and splattering.
Alright, so we sprayed out the spider gears with brake clean, and now I'm taking the 3M roll-off piece and just polishing the mating surface just like any other mating surface, and then we're going to RTV it. Real lightly, low RPM. You're not trying to take any material out, you're just removing the oil and debris, and then you come back and you wipe it off and use a little bit of solvent once you're ready to actually RTV it.
Alright, so Hayden got it all cleaned up. What I'm going to do first is put a couple welds in here, weld this pin in, weld all this tight. Then I'm going to take a plate, because plate welding is a lot stronger than having 4 corner welds. Plate will go in, maybe a little bit more grinding to fit it better, but 4 continuous welds all the way around, making it a lot stronger of a weld and take a lot more abuse.
All 4 corners. Now time for the plate. So we got it welded all the way around, as strong as it's ever going to be.